Have you ever wondered how roads are built so smoothly? Or why some highways seem to last forever, while others crack and break down quickly? The secret behind well-maintained roads and traffic systems lies in the work of one powerful organization, VDOT. But what exactly is VDOT? And why is it so important for millions of people every single day? Stick around, because today, we're diving deep into the world of VDOT, uncovering its hidden impact, and revealing some surprising facts you probably didn't know. What is VDOT? VDOT stands for the Virginia Department of Transportation. It's responsible for designing, maintaining, and improving thousands of miles of roads and bridges across Virginia. But did you know that VDOT isn't just about paving roads? It plays a crucial role in traffic management, emergency response, and even futuristic transportation innovations. From handling heavy snowfall to managing real-time traffic conditions, VDOT ensures smooth and safe travel for millions of drivers every day. But how exactly do they do it? How does VDOT keep roads safe and efficient? VDOT operates through a highly advanced system that includes traffic monitoring and smart technology. Ever notice those cameras and sensors on highways? VDOT uses high-tech systems to monitor traffic and prevent congestion. Through AI-driven traffic signals and GPS tracking, they can detect accidents and send help instantly. Road maintenance and construction. Whether it's fixing potholes, repainting lane markers, or designing completely new highways, VDOT's engineering teams work year-round to ensure roads stay in top shape. And with the rise of smart roads, they're now experimenting with self-healing concrete and solar-powered highways, emergency and disaster management. When hurricanes, snowstorms, or floods hit, VDOT is on the front lines, ensuring roads are clear and safe. Their rapid response teams work 24/7 to keep transportation running, even in the worst weather conditions. Why does VDOT matter to you? You might not think about it every day, but its work directly impacts your daily life. Without VDOT, morning commutes would be chaotic, roads would be unsafe, and emergency responders wouldn't reach people in time. Whether you're a driver, cyclist, or pedestrian, VDOT plays a key role in your safety and convenience. VDOT What's Next? It isn't just focused on today's roads, it's planning for the future. With projects like electric vehicle charging highways, AI-driven traffic control, and even self-driving car infrastructure, VDOT is pushing the boundaries of modern transportation. So, the next time you drive on a smooth road or avoid major traffic jam, remember VDOT is working behind the scenes to make that happen. What do you think about these transportation innovations? Let us know in the comments.